It is truly annoying when you look for your image in Midjourney but lost it on the long queue. Well, there's a way you can use Midjourney through your private server. This video will walk you through the process step by step. To create your private server, first click this plus icon here at the top left corner. Click on Create My Own. Then click For Me and My Friends. After that, Server Customization option will appear. Type your server name. Upload your avatar or profile image and click Create. Your private server will be created and it will be visible at the top left corner. And here with this option, you can invite your friend if you need to collaborate or share your images with your team members. Now you need to add Midjourney to your private server. Go to Midjourney. From this right sidebar, click on Midjourney. If this sidebar is not visible, then click the Show Member List option here. Then the sidebar will be visible. Now click on Midjourney. Add to server. Select the server you just created. Click Continue. Click Authorize. Fill the CAPTCHA. And your private server is created. Go to your server. And here you can enter your prompt on your own server. There will be no annoying or disturbing stuffs here. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Midjourney, please see the other videos of this channel. Thanks for watching.